welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariam if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you can see, you guys, I'm super excited today. I've been waiting to film this video for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you guys. First, I've been waiting to receive the package, and then I waited for like 14 days to film this video because I've been busy with work and kids, but I'm here, you guys. I'm super excited to do this. So today I am going to unbox Daniel Wellington watch. Can you guys believe this? Oh my god, when I get like a brand collaboration like this, I get super excited, and especially Daniel Wellington, you guys. So I'm super excited. Yes, so today we are going to unboxing this baby here, and I have my phone on because I have my address on top. So yes. Okay, let's start, you guys. Let me put the camera down a little bit. Yes, this is good. Okay, let's start, you guys. Oh, my address. Okay, 2 packages, you guys. There is another one down. Let me open from here. Oh, okay. 2 packages, you guys. Okay, let's start with this one. I already know what is inside this, but first we're going to start with the watch. And yeah, let's do this well. Oh my god, look how beautiful is this, like matte black. Okay, guys, now we are going to try this. Let me try this. It says Daniel Wellington, as you guys can see. And oh my god, I am more into like gold, and the sizing, I think it's even perfect. Oh my god, with my gold accessories. Okay, so I saw a video on YouTube how to adjust the watch strap, so I can do that later, but this is how it is. Okay, already opened the watch now. Let me show you guys here like how to adjust. Okay, so this is your watch. Let me keep it closer here, and I'm going to use this tool. You are going to open here like so. You see this side here? I don't know if you guys saw that. I just pulled this thing up and adjust, like I think up to here it's going to fit me, and now you're going to push this down back. Yes, did you hear that click? Okay, so now we are going to open this box, you guys. Okay. Okay, so now let's try the necklace, you guys. I'm super excited for this. And this is how it is. Okay. And I really love that it has these like 4 holes. Depend on you how long you want your like necklace to be, but for me, depend with what I wear. Sometimes I like my necklaces to be a little bit longer, sometimes I like short if I want to layer with other necklace. So this is so good, you guys. And as you can see here, they have like 1 2 3 4 5, no, they have 4 holes. So let's see, you guys. Okay, so this is our necklace, you guys. Look how beautiful, you guys, with a watch together. Like, so cute. I really love this, you guys. I really love this. And I forgot to mention, you guys, I have 15% discount code for you, DWBBMariam27. I'm going to put the code up here, so please, if you want to get anything from Daniel Wellington, you can use my code. You can even get like something for Christmas before present for someone, or like a birthday present, anything, because they have so many amazing things on their website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys you like it, and if you want to support me, like this video and use my code. I'll see you guys on my next. Bye bye.